Umbrella can't stop the rain, but can make us stand in rain. Confidence may not bring success, but gives us power to face any challenge in life. APJ Abdul Kalam. Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Max class, Standard 8. Today our topic is cubes and cube roots. In today's class, we are going to see definition of cubes and cube roots and properties of cube of numbers. Cubes. A cube is a number that is the product of three identical numbers. For example, the cube of 2 equals 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is 2 raised to the power 3, that equals 8. Perfect cubes. Cube numbers are also called as perfect cubes. The perfect cubes of a natural numbers are 1 cubed, 2 cubed, 3 cubed, 4 cubed, and so on. That is 1, 8, 27, 64, and so on. Properties of cubes of numbers. First one, the cube of a positive number is positive. 6 is a positive number. So 6 cubed is 6 multiplied 3 times, that equals 216. So 6 is a positive number. So cube of a positive number is positive number. The cube of a negative number is negative. That is minus 7 cubed. That equals minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. That equals minus 343. So minus 7 cubed is minus 343. Therefore, cube of a negative number is negative. The cube of every even number is even. So 8 is an even number. So 8 cubed is 8 multiplied by 3 times, that equals 512. So 512 also even number. Therefore, cube of an even number is even. The cube of every odd number is odd. 9 is an odd number, so 9 cubed is 729, which is also odd. If a natural number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 6 or 9, its cube also ends with the same 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 respectively. So 10 cubed is 1000. 11 cubed is 1331. 14 cubed is 2744. 15 cubed is 3375. 16 cubed is 4096. 19 cubed is 6859. If a natural number ends with 2 or 8, its cube ends with 8 or 2 respectively. That is, if a number ends with 2, the cube number ends with 8. If a number ends with 8, the cube number ends with 2. That is 12 cubed is 1728. 18 cubed is 5832. If a natural number ends with 3 or 7, its cube ends with 7 or 3 respectively. That is 13 cubed is 2197. And 17 cube is 4913. If a number ends with 3, the cube number is end with 7. If a number ends with 7, the cube number is end with 3. And the last point is, the sum of cubes of first n natural numbers is equal to the square of their sum. That is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cubed up to n cube. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n square, n the whole square. And 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 the whole square. Both values will be equal. Note: a perfect cube does not end with two zeros. Second one, the cube of a two-digit number may have 4 or 5 or 6 digits in it. Let us see about cube root. By now, all of us know how to find a cube of a number. So when 3 cubed is 27, it means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 equals 27. So what is a cube root? Well, cube root of 27 is 3. That's all. This is the most important concept of cube roots. The rest of the video will just focus on how cube roots are denoted and its applications. So remember, 3 cubed is 27 and cube root of 27 is 3. Well, this is how the symbol of a cube root looks like. Root sign with the 3 here. So we can say that the cube root of 27 is 3. This root sign is called the radical. And the number inside it is called the radicand or the base. Here's some better way to understand the concept of cubes. 4 cube equal, that is 4 times 4 times 4, which equals 64. We all know this. This 3 while taking to the other side, it becomes cube root. Hence we can say that cube root of 64 equals 4. Cube root. The cube root of a number is the value that when cubed gives the original number. For example, 2 cubed is 8 and cube root of 8 is 2. 3 cubed is 9 and cube root of 9 is 3, and so on. If the cube of 2 is 8, then 2 is said to be the cube root of 8. We denote cube root by the symbol root sign with 3. So cube root of 8 is 2 and cube root of 27 is 3 and cube root of 64 is 4, and so on. Let us see example problem. Example 1.32. Is 400 a perfect cube? How will you identify? By prime factorization method, we can identify whether 400 is a perfect cube or not. Solution. Prime factorization already I have done. So 400 equals, the factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Grouping the prime factors of 400 as triplets. Only one triplet is there, so we are left over with the 2 into 5 into 5. 2 and 5, they do not have their triplet form. Therefore, 400 is not a perfect cube. Answer: 400 is not a perfect cube. Then example 1.34. Find the cube root of 27,000. This is also we are going to use prime factorization method. So factorization already I did. Solution. By prime factorization, 27,000 equal to 3 times, 2 3 times and 5 3 times. We can make a triplet choosing one from each triplet. So from each group we have pick out one. So 3 into 2 into 5. So 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Therefore cube root of 27,000 equals 30. Answer: cube root of 27,000 is 30. Example. Find the cube root of 6,859 by prime factorization. So here 6,859 is divisible by 19. So 19,361 are 6,859. So 19 19s are 361. Then 19 ones are 19. Solution. By prime factorization, 6,859 equals 19 into 19 into 19. Only one triplet is there. So from the above triplet we can choose one. Therefore, cube root of 6859 equals 19. Therefore, answer cube root of 6859 equals 19. I hope you have understood about cubes and cube roots. It's a time for homework. Exercise 1.5. Third problem. Show that 1944 is not a perfect cube. Seventh problem. Find the cube root of 729 by prime factorization method. I hope you are able to do the problem correctly and send your homework on time. Thank you, dear students.